Hello, Teens 4. How are you? I hope you're fine. So today we're going to learn about the future form, okay? We're going to learn how we can speak in the future form, okay? Which possibilities we can use, okay, for each situation. So we're going to start with two of them. Two possibilities of future, will and be going to, okay? We're going to see first what uses do we have for will. ¿Cuáles son los usos para will? Okay, let's see. Here I have them. So we use will for predictions without evidence, okay, and distant future. Predicciones sin evidencia y hablando siempre del futuro distante, ¿sí? For example, in the future, the cars will fly. En el futuro los autos van a volar. Okay? That would be a prediction without evidence. Then we have the sudden decisions. Las decisiones instantáneas en el momento. Okay? So, for example, oh, the phone is ringing. Okay, I will answer it. El teléfono está sonando. Okay, lo voy a ir a atender. Eso es una decisión del momento. Okay? Then we have warnings, offers, promises, opinions, and hopes and fears. Okay, esas son posibilidades también para utilizar el will. Warnings, be careful, you will catch yourself. Or offers, I will help you with your homework. Or for example, promises, I promise I will study harder. Okay, and then we have hopes and fears. For example, I will be rich someday. Okay, and then you have also that I didn't write because I forgot. I'm going to add it now. Then you have threats. Okay? Threats, amenazas. For example, you won't go to the party tonight. Okay? Those are the possibilities in which we use will. Okay? So now we're going to see for what we can use going to. Okay, now let's see what about be going to. Here we have it. Okay, so we use be going to for predictions with evidence, okay? Predicciones con evidencia. For example, look at those clouds. Miren esas nubes. It is going to rain. ¿Sí? Va a llover. In that case, we use be going to, okay? Be, porque en este caso utilizamos el verb to be. En el caso de he, she o it vamos a decir is. En el caso de I vamos a decir am. Y en el caso de you, we, and they vamos a decir are. Okay? So, is going to rain. Then we are going to use it for personal plans and intentions, okay? For example, I am going to study biology when I finish school, ¿sí? Voy a estudiar biología cuando termine el colegio. Eso es una intención, un plan personal. And for that we use be going to, okay? Okay, so let's see what about the structures, okay? The structures for will. We are going to write first the subject, of course, like always. Siempre escribimos el sujeto primero. And then we're going to write the word will plus the infinitive verb, okay? The verb in infinitive form, okay? So, without anything, sin agregar nada. El verbo al natural, okay? So, will plus the infinitive verb. Then in the negative, we're going to use won't, que es como decir will not. Sí, es la contracción de will not. Won't plus the verb in infinitive, okay? Exactly like with will. And then in the interrogative form, we're going to start the question with the word will. Vamos a empezar con la palabra will. Then we're going to write the subject, ¿sí? El sujeto, and then the verb in the infinitive form, okay? So, si hay una palabra de pregunta, como por ejemplo what, o when, where, who, which, esa obviamente sería la primera palabra de la pregunta. But following that one goes the will, ¿ok? Y si no hay palabra de pregunta, directamente ponemos el will primero. ¿Ok? Excellent. Okay, now the structure for going to. Okay, here we have it. So we're going to write the subject I with the verb to be am, or in the negative, am not. And then going to plus the verb in infinitive, okay? And then for he, she, or it, we're going to write is or isn't in the negative form, plus the going to plus the verb in infinitive. And then for you, we, and they, we're going to write are or aren't in the negative, plus going to plus the verb in infinitive. Okay? And for the questions, we're going to start with the verb to be and then the subject and then the going to plus the verb in infinitive. Okay? Lo mismo para he, she, or it. En una pregunta empezamos con la palabra is, then we write the subject and then the going to plus the infinitive verb. And in the same case with you, we, and they, we're going to write first are and then the subject and then the going to plus the infinitive verb. ¿Ok? Entonces esa sería la estructura para el be going to. ¿Sí? Así que siempre estar pendiente de el sujeto para saber cuál va a ser el verb to be que tenemos que utilizar. Okay, so that was it about will versus going to, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask them through Google Classroom, and see you next time. Bye bye.